Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. Do like the channel and click on the bell icon, and so that you'll be notified as and when I bring in readings. And today, I think it's been this whole month I have been bringing in small pujas which you can do for on Fridays. Today I want to bring in Swarna Akarshana Bhairavar. I still remember till date I had launched my Swarna Akarshana Bhairavar candles years back, I think 6 years or 7 years down the lane. And even today, in sale, when I bring his candles, it just moves away. And he is very powerful when you want quick solutions in life, when jobs, you don't have a job and you want a job to come in your life, and when there are a lot of debts and you want to come out of the debts. What do you do today? If you don't have a Swarna Akarshana Bhairavar photo, it's completely fine. In your mobile you can take out his pic, and you can keep his pic, keep 51 rupees in front of him, and pick 51 beetle leaves, okay? And in front, and on top of that, keep some bananas and keep a pomegranate, and keep some supari. And in Google, in YouTube, you will find the Swarna Akarshana Gayatri mantra. Just put on that, burn a lamp, it can be any ghee ka diya, and if you have my Swarna Akarshana Bhairava candle, burn that and just hear that Gayatri mantra completely. And then the beetle leaves, you can also have it, you can have the banana, pomegranate, everything. Just pray to him, whether you want to get a new job, then for that, whether you want to come out of your debts, for that, whatever you want as financial blessings, you can pray to him, and I am sure you're going to come out of all the issues. And today, if possible, wear the color orange. That is what I feel guided. Now let's see what is the reading coming today. Lord Ganesha has come. See, again, somewhere the reading is also an indication that all the obstacles are going to go. Ganpati ji has come to give you an indication that today is a day of abundance, blessings, obstacles to go, blessings in every endeavor in your life. Whatever you seek for, it will happen. You will have success throughout the day, you will have happiness throughout the day. Let me just pick one more card. I felt I should pick one more card, and the card Ganga has come. Now Ganga again is nothing but the goddess of river Ganga. Here I feel is abundance, because for me the swan is what is shown, and I see her blessing. I see her as a form of Lakshmi Mata only. I don't know why. And I feel that both the cards are indicating that somewhere, once you do the Swarna Akarshana Bhairava today, things are going to change, the debts are going to go away from your life, and you're going to be blessed with abundance. And those who are searching for job, some good news will come, and they will also get a job the way they desire very soon. So have a beautiful and a Lakshmi Ma blessed day ahead.